I'm mad at Disney, Disney. They tricked me, had me wishing on a shooting star.
Hello, I'm Vincent, and lately I've been getting a lot of reviews about me making myself look like Jennelle Eliana. Is that really possible for me to turn myself to Jennelle Eliana? She's a really pretty girl, and god damn, I'm a very big fan of her. I love the fact she lives in her van, and I just love her lifestyle altogether. I'm going to give it a shot.
I just want a bag, like an old lady. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers, past that 808. That don't shake.
Am I doing it right?
You know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed, I got scales all on my floor. I got money on the line, plus I'm clocking it galore. I got bitches kissing bitches, all them bitches go explore. I'm feeling way up, I stay up. Put your bitch on my Snapchat while I make her. She want a chance with me, cause she know I'm a rapper.
I'm gonna take on that look to her IG page to see if I'm doing it correctly. You know, it's not easy to turn yourself into someone else, so I'll try my best, definitely.
At 12, gon' find your ass way in New Orleans. Watch I look, I'm jugging. Dissect your hand if your hand in my put and put two in your man if your man keep a looking. Act like a poopy, your bitch get tookin'. I'm not the type to go with them niggas who fuck with them niggas who stay on some fish. Oh, young and trapping out the bando. From the ceiling fan to the damn floor, trying to stack my money up. Cause that's the only way we can go. Tell my mama that I'm okay. See the money coming through the doorway. Got a bad bitch with a lot of money, that's foreplay. Okay, they watching me, they watching me, they watching me. I'm backwoods smoking, I don't own papers, past that 808. That don't shake her. Oh, bitch, you know I'm grinding like a pro skater. Baby mama bugging, I'm so quick to hit ignore. Buku bitches in my bed, I got scales all on my floor. I got money on the line, plus I'm clocking it galore. I got bitches kissing bitches, all them bitches go explore. I'm feeling way up, I stay up. Put your bitch on my Snapchat while I make her. She want a chance with me, cause she know I'm a rapper. I give a but I never get feelings, cause shorty, I know what you after. Okay, they watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. They watching me, they watching me, they watching me. At 12, gon' find your ass way in New Orleans. Watch I look, I'm jugging. Dissect your hand if your hand in my put and put two in your man if your man keep a looking. Act like a poopy, your bitch get tookin'. I'm not the type to go with them niggas who fuck with them niggas who stay on some fish. Oh, young and trapping out the bando. From the ceiling fan to the damn floor, trying to stack my money up. Cause that's the only way we can go. Tell my mama that I'm okay. See the money coming through the doorway. Got a bad bitch with a lot of money, that's foreplay. Okay, they watching me, they watching me, they watching me.
I'm excited about how I look, guys. Hope I do look like her. I want you people to comment your reviews about my face down in the comment section. Guys, you make sure you like, you comment, you repost, you share this video most especially to your friends. I really want this video to reach Jennelle Eliana. Thank you very much, guys. See you guys next time. Gotcha!
Section at 12, gon' find your ass way in New Orleans. Watch, I look, I'm jugging. Dissect your hand if your hand am I putting, put two in your man if your man keep a looking. Act like a poop, your bitch get tookin'. I'm not the type to go with them niggas who stay on some fish. Oh.